Okay, so now we will do a demonstration of inertia of rest with my SBI Visa card. Anyway, and a cup and two coins, one 5 rupee coin and a 2 rupee coin. Now we know that 5 rupee coins are a little bit heavier than the 2 rupee coin. That we should keep in our mind before the experiment begins. Now this glass is empty, okay, and I put the card over it. So now when I do put the card over it and I put the 2 rupee coin on the card. Now what I'll do, this card is at rest, this coin is also at rest above the card, but if I apply force to the card, I know that when I apply external force, this will not remain at rest and that this will go into motion. And the card is not that heavy also, so it is very easy to break its inertia of rest. So anyway, but I am not applying any force on the coin, but however one would expect that when I hit the force, the card along with the coin will go away, because I will apply a greater amount of force, a high force I will apply, so that both of that goes away. But let's see what happens. Yeah, it went away. So that is the thing. Now if I do this little bit properly, it went away. So now we can see that this coin I drop and I take this coin with me. When I do so, the card went away but the coin fell in. Why is this happening? Because the coin's tendency is to stay at the rest. And why this coin could not stay in rest? This coin could not stay in rest because it is going away with the card. Right or wrong? This coin could not stay. Now it is there, fine, that also happened. But this coin, every time, 2 times you have seen this coin went away with the card, but this coin will never go away with the card. Supposedly shouldn't go away with the card because this coin is very heavy and it tends to remain at rest, and that's why when the card support goes, it's moved into inside. So this is a very popular experiment. I hope that from this experiment it is clear that a body which is at rest tends to remain at rest, is an example of inertia of rest, and also inertia of rest depends on the mass, because the heavier coin has more tendency to remain at the state of rest according to our experiment.